In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the highlighter tool in Tradingview. This is a handy feature that can greatly enhance your ability to analyze charts and pinpoint specific areas of interest with ease. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, mastering this tool can make your charting experience more efficient and organized. Let's dive right in and see how easy it is to get started with the highlighter tool. First, you'll want to navigate to the Tradingview website. Simply open your preferred browser and type in the URL. You should be greeted by the Tradingview homepage, where you can either sign in or create a new account if you haven't yet. Once logged in, look for the chart option in the main menu and click on it to proceed. Once your chart loads, direct your attention to the left side toolbar where you'll see various icons. Here, we're looking for the brush icon. This is typically located among the drawing tools, a crucial area for traders who want to mark and annotate their charts. Click on this brush icon to reveal a set of tools that assist with chart marking. To access the highlighter tool, you need to click the small arrow beside the brush icon. This is often a small yet critical step, so don't miss it. Clicking this arrow will open a drop-down menu offering different brush styles and options available for you to choose from. Now, from this drop-down, locate and select the highlighter. The icon may resemble a traditional highlighter pen, aiming to draw your eye with its simplicity. This feature is especially useful for visually emphasizing key points on your chart without cluttering it with too many details. With the highlighter selected, you can begin using it by clicking and dragging it across your chart. This allows you to highlight areas of interest, like significant price changes, trend lines, or specific zones you're closely monitoring. The highlighted regions can offer a quick visual reference for areas that require further analysis or regular attention. Once you've decided on what to highlight, you'll find that Tradingview provides options to personalize your highlighter tool. This means you can change colors and adjust settings, allowing the highlights to stand out or blend in seamlessly, according to your preference or need. Experiment with these settings to find what works best for your specific chart reviewing strategy. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively use the highlighter tool, enhancing your ability to make informed decisions based on your analyses. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to spend some time experimenting with the highlighter tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.